Hi, this is Zen, the Crypto Queen. I've got a Facebook page, Zen the Crypto Queen. You can follow me on Twitter at XRP Crypto Queen, or you can look me up as Zen on Twitter as well. If you're a newbie, I'd prefer it if you'd follow me on Facebook. Twitter can get a little crazy, and I disseminate that information and try to bring it to you via video or posts on my Facebook page because I mentioned it yesterday. There's a lot of FUD, that's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, or FOMO, fear of missing out, and I don't want you to suffer from either one of those, especially if you're new, because I think my method is probably the best one for newbies. Buy, hold, or hodl, if you will, hold on for dear life, and have multiple exit strategies for taking profits. Okay, and we can get into that as we move along in these videos. But today I wanted to share with you this article. I will post the link in the description so that you can read the full article because it is quite misunderstood. Also, this is not financial advice. I'm merely sharing what I do, what I buy, and how I go about living my crypto life. So I wanted to get into, oops, what happened there? I wanted to scroll down. Here's the history. I mean, you could be reading along as I'm talking if you want to, or pause it and read it. But I wanted to talk about utility. One of the things that you can do also is go to CoinMarketCap, click on XRP or any coin, any altcoin for that matter, and scroll down on the page and you will see what the coin is used for, who the players are, CEO, all the important directors within that specific coin. But regarding XRP, it is currently in utility. They're testing in Japan right now. It's been used in many countries along the way. Its adoption is high. Yes, it is in the middle of a lawsuit with the SEC, but the SEC lawsuit, in my opinion, is looking very bad for the SEC and very good for Ripple and XRP. One of the things that holds true, and you can look it up online, or maybe you can take a look at some of these links that are right here in here. The on-demand liquidity, XRP disrupting SWIFT. If you don't know what SWIFT is, SWIFT moves your money from one bank to another within countries. I used to use it a lot when I lived in Singapore to move money back to the USA, and it took 5 to 7 business days, and they charged me accordingly for that. And I always wondered, what are you doing with my thousands for that 5 to 7 days? Clearly you're making money from my money and taking your sweet time about moving it for me and charging me for the privilege quite a bit. So when they start utilizing XRP, because there's lots of partnerships with banks and other financial institutions, you can look that up online. Maybe I'll find it and post a link to it in the description, but you can always look up Ripple and XRP and partnerships, and you will see what the usefulness of this coin will be in coming years. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down so that you can read as I go along. One of my bullet points that I'm reading off my notes is the SEC is embarrassing themselves. I think they know that, but now that they're in it, I guess they have to work through it. And it looks like discovery ends sometime in September, or is it early October? I can't remember the specifics because literally it could change any day with a settlement, but certainly should be wrapped up by the end of October. That's my opinion. In my opinion, anything under $10 for this coin is, if you're willing to buy, hold, and come up with exit strategies, which I'll go over in another video. I believe that there is such potential in the upcoming months, years, and onward. I don't want to stress that, I do want to stress that. I also want to stress that I am not a financial advisor. That's why I'm showing you this article. I want you to read up on it on your own and see what you think. I think you can see here there's a Flare Network. I'll do another video. Somebody requested a video about Flare Network, Drop, and Songbird, etc. And to me, they need to get their act together with that. It was supposed to drop in June. It's almost the end of August. So, I'm looking into how to help you figure that part out. If you had bought XRP before, I believe it's December 15th of 2020, you are entitled to Flare network drop and likely Songbird as well. So I'll make another video about all of this because I think this is enough for today. Do your own research. That's DYOR. Do your own research, and this is part of your research. That's why I will put it in the description, because it is important to know all these things. This is a great graphic right here. Blow it up, zoom it out when you read this article. And I hope this was helpful because there's so much. Why is there so much information? Is it done on purpose? Perfect place to land to end my video. Yeah, very good question. And you have to do your own research. And here's a great place to start. Here's some useful links down below. And there you have it. This is my video for today. Just wanted to get with you to stress the utility when you're purchasing altcoins, the partnerships that company has with other companies, meaning banks and financial institutions, so that it will be useful in upcoming months and years. And I also wanted to encourage you to look up who the board of directors over at Ripple is and what their background is. So then you'll understand why I think the SEC is embarrassing themselves. But enough on that for today, and thanks so much for listening. I appreciate you being here, and I hope this was helpful to you in some way. And I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.